Hey there, welcome to another episode of Hang Out with Me in my kitchen space. In today's episode, I have another interesting recipe that I'm pretty sure you're going to love. If you love kamande, this is the recipe, and the best part about it, we do not have to pre-boil them. With me, I have my list of ingredients, and these are raw kamande. As you can hear, they are very dry, not yet soaked, not yet boiled. Over here, I have my vegetables and I'm going very heavy on them. I have my onions, some garlic, some ginger. I have a tomato, but if at all you have more, you can use. But I'm going to substitute my other tomatoes with some tomato paste. I have my capsicum or some bell pepper, and here I have my coriander. I'm going to use this as a topping as well as this is mint leaves, and I planted this a few months ago in my small kitchen garden. I have my seasoning cubes right here. I have two of them. I have some salt, some cooking oil, and some rice. And this rice of mine today is a combination of 3 different brands or so. And without further ado, let's get started. So first things first, for my cereals, I'm going to soak them in some warm water. And I'm going to soak this for about 30 minutes, and I'll see you. In the meantime, I'll be prepping my vegetables. So 30 minutes later, you can see that they have doubled in size, literally. I'm going to strain this water, then rinse it about twice till the water becomes clear. Then we'll start cooking. Once my pan is hot and dry, I'll go in with about 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Then once my cooking oil is also hot, I'll go in with my onions. As usual, I'm going to cook this till they become translucent. So once they start turning translucent, just how I like them, I'll go in with my ginger. Then I'm going to cook this for about a minute, and once I'm happy with that, I'll go in with my next ingredient. Once the garlic is fragrant, I'll go in with my other vegetables, and I'm going to add in my tomatoes, my coriander stems. I'll also add in my garlic, and I'm going to add half of this. Then the rest will come in later. So I'm going to cook my tomatoes till they become like a paste. And to achieve that faster, I'm going to go in with a small pinch of salt. Then I'm going to cover this and give it about a minute. Now that I'm sure my tomatoes are really broken down, I'll go in with my tomato paste, and I've mixed it with some hot water. Then I'm also going to rinse this with some more water. And this looks amazing. So I'll go in with one of my cubes. Then I'm going to give this about 2 minutes so that everything can blend in together. We can have one very nice consistency. And now that we have this, everything has blended in together and all the flavors have married each other. This is where we come in with our ingredients. So I'm going to add that. I'm also going to add in my washed rice, and always remember to wash your rice, and always remember to measure your rice and your water, and the ratio of for every 1 cup of rice, use the same exact cup or glass to measure your water, and add in 2 glasses of the same. Oh, and this looks amazing. And as I promised you, this is such an easy recipe. I'll go in with my other vegetables. So this will come towards the end, and I'm going to break in my remaining cube for the flavor. Then I'll add some salt to taste. And we have one good looking thing going on here. So I'll go in with my water, and I've used 1 glass of this for the rice, so I'm going to go in with 2 glasses of water. Then I'll go in with the second one. I'm going to stir so that all the ingredients can be evenly distributed. Then I'll cover this, and I'll be back once my rice is almost ready. So let's check if our rice is ready. And how to check your rice: you just poke at the center, and once you see it's dry, you know your rice is ready. And you can see our rice is also dry, and you can see the beautiful color. So this is where our other vegetables come in. I have my coriander leaves, I have some capsicum that I left, and here I have my mint leaves, and a small pinch goes a long way. So I'm going to add this in here, and now this is going to give it some more flavor. I'm also going to add in my capsicum as well as the mint leaves. Then I'm going to mix this up. And once I'm sure that most of the vegetables are evenly distributed, I'm going to cover it for about 5 minutes or so that the flavors can infuse and marry each other. Then I'll see you for serving and tasting. Our food is ready, and as usual, remember to salt your avocado. And let's dig in. And as you can see, mchele haijashikana because we measured our rice and water. Wow, the flavors. So good. Especially from the vegetables that you've added at the last point. Do not skip on that. And as usual, you have to taste the whole combination. Wow. This recipe is very simple. As you've seen, we did not boil our lentils and they are well done. As you can also notice, hazijatokana. They are still full, hazija bondeka. They are not yet smashed, they are not yet dismantled. They're just in the right form, and also it's very tasty. So that's pretty much it for today's episode. I hope you enjoyed. I also hope you learned something new. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.